Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is a continuation of the video I posted previously. This is a drive-through video in Ohafia local government area. Ohafia, the town of warriors. You know, all those Ohafia dance. I need shaky here. You know, I need shaky chest, and all that. This is where it comes from. This is where that dance, the warrior dance, this is where it comes from. This is Ohafia local government area. So see where they let's drive around the town and see how beautiful the town is. So if it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, I dropped a video before this one, so you can still watch that one. Maybe you go see your village for that one before you know, after watching that one you can watch this one. Or if this one is the first one you're seeing, link post through previously. So I was talking about the road network here in Ohafia. That is very, very sharp. I saw streets with good roads, so no be like saying I saw now Ohafia. You understand? It's a town. You don't own. You understand? So they get good roads for inside streets, for inside area. That one shocked me. As in, I no expect I will see this kind of thing. So guys, as you're watching this video, if I passed or I drove around your area in Ohafia, you tell me in the comment section. You can know the inside village water. The zero side, you can see tell me, I can see go letter. We can side but this is Ohafia town. Town the comment section. So I made this video the day they laid to rest the late Reverend Omar Okpai. That was the day I went to Ohafia, and that was the day I shot this video. So all I know is that I'm driving around Ohafia. I didn't really know if this is Amepu or Ilu Ohafia or Okono Ohafia, but I know it's not going to be Okono Ohafia because I think Okono Ohafia should be inside. It should be inside. So this is the town area. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Are they all free? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that when I drop another video, you will take a notification. Bagam na ma drop go video. So na focus on see where those are the very, very okay. Ilan your phone shop the everywhere with all on them mad with a lorry ana zoafia ani lepo afia e water ndi bu ai na zona afia. So ebo lega na libu ga fureba ani lafia everywhere. So we are known for business. Ohafia, they are rich in agriculture. Here we a lot of land. They ako ubo, hana ako ubo, koyo fuma e water ha basirike. They are very strong people, and their language they can know. Their language shirike. Yeah, well, I really like their language. I really like Ohafia people. So this place looks like Mbadu or the kind of Nabatu from Ubu. Sorry for my Ingilibo. Mo announcing him to reso. When I water. You know, so this is how the area looks like, the topography and the rest of them. You know, see where the water. So help me to start this video by clicking the share button. Help me to share this video. Na Kapa village, my man. It's still a village, my guy village. Sasibio, the guy village Shapo, Ishapo. Ohafia has like 26 villages. Like I heard and I still read online how many 26 villages make it up Ohafia. They are also saying that neighboring towns like Abreba and Mporo na halile will not happen Ohafia local government area. I believe so because with the last time I went to Abreba, I saw on a signboard Abreba in Ohafia LGA. So Abreba they quite big. Ohile is very big. So guys, watch the video down to the end if you can to see for yourself the beauty of this town, and then tell me what you think in the comment section.